Want to have your sales team's commission automatically calculated for you? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using a really simple formula in Excel. And it's only going to take about 2 minutes, but be sure to stick around to the end because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you some more tips on how to get the most out of Excel for your commission tracking. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up a spreadsheet. So something like this, and I've already filled out some simple tables that you'll want to get set up. So first you need to lay out your commission tiers. And this is literally just typing in 2 columns, one with the minimum, one with the maximum revenue ranges, and then the percentage that applies to that. So somebody who does 0 to 25,000 in sales is going to get 5%. Somebody with 25,001 to 40,000 is going to get 7%. And that can just be manually typed in. Then you want to get a table set up that's going to be your commission table. So that's going to have at a minimum the salesperson's name right here, their sales or cash received for that particular period, and then the commission rate and commission. And this is where the Excel formula is going to come in and do it automatically. So to automatically return the commission rate for each employee, we're going to use the XLOOKUP formula. So go ahead and go to the first cell in the commission rate field and type in X equals XLOOKUP, open parentheses. It's going to ask for the lookup value. So that's going to be the sales, then comma. What array do we want to look that up in? That needs to be the maximum revenue range over here. Don't use the minimum, that won't work. So make sure you do the maximum revenue range, comma, now the return array. So that is which value you're trying to get, which of course is the percentage. That's what we're trying to look up. So we're going to get this as the return array. Just going to select that whole column. And then I don't care, comma, the next thing is if not found. I don't care about that. So I'm just going to not address that and do another comma. Then it asks for the match type or match mode. We want that to be 1. So 1 is going to give you the exact match or the next larger item. So once you have a 1 in there, make sure you use 1 and not 0 or leaving it blank. And then I'm going to close the parentheses, hit enter. And now you see somebody who's making 25,000 or who got 25,000 in cash rather is getting a 5% commission right there. Now, if I take this and drag it down, you're going to see it's not going to work because we haven't put in the so down here, we're getting a bunch of zeros, for example, because we didn't put in our dollar signs. So in here, we need to make sure we freeze these ranges that we're selecting. So a shortcut on that is just to select, put your cursor in the range that you want to do this with and hit F4, or you can manually do it by, in the formula bar, putting your mouse where you need it and adding those dollar signs. Basically, we need a dollar sign before the column and the number, really in this case just the number, but we'll go ahead and do both. So we're going to get them both frozen, copy it all the way down, and now you see it's automatically looking that up. So Michael Davis, who's did 135,000 in sales, is in the biggest range here, getting 16%. So you can see that's automatically returned the commission rate for everyone. And now next month, if Emily Johnson does a little bit better, and maybe let's say she gets 52,000, now it's going to automatically give 10% commission. So it's automatically giving that commission rate. Now we just need to put in the total commission that that's going to result in for her. But before we do that, I'm curious if you're finding this helpful, what kind of business are you using this for? So if you don't mind, let me know in the comments below. All right, so let's do the last step, which is just going to be to type in an equals and then a simple multiplication formula. So I'm going to select the commission rate and use the asterisk as the multiplier, and now select the sales received. Okay, so she's going to get $5,200, and I'll go ahead and copy that down. Pretty simple, right? But what if your commission system's a little bit more complicated? Like you're not just using a simple tiered system, but you have base plus commission, or you're using draw against commission. Well, if that's you, check out the description in this video because I'm going to put a link there to another video where I go over how to set up any commission system in Excel. Or you can also check out my Commissions in Excel playlist on my YouTube channel where I go through a bunch of different tips and tricks on how to make the best commission system for your business or team. And if you want to learn more about how you can get a top-notch, fully customized spreadsheet for your business, there's a link for that in the description as well. Lastly, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more content like this, hit subscribe and the notification icon. And I'll see you next time.